This is Tajammul Adel. Today I'm talking about ND filters for iPhone from SANDMARC. Basically, ND filter evenly reduce the amount of light that passes through them to control exposure and shutter speed. A slow shutter speed creates a film-like motion blur for objects moving through the image. It is important that the filter reduces all visible wavelengths of light equally to avoid color shift to the recorded video. The SANDMARC Scape ND filters are available in pack of 3 and you can order from this website and it's available for $89.99. My everyday camera is my iPhone, and these days iPhone and other smartphones have really good cameras and features that keep getting better. Let us try the ND filter with the iPhone 13 mini at 4K 30 frames per second and see the results of ND4 filter side by side. Use the ND8 filter with a clip-on mount on the iPhone and see the results side by side. And finally, use the ND16 filter and enjoy the difference side by side. ND filter block the light. You can use them on sunny days to increase your shutter speed for long exposure shots. The beautiful blur that can be achieved with just a few seconds of exposure can turn ordinary shots into a dreamy shots. A range of ND filters for your iPhone expand your ability to take great shots that let you unleash your creativity. Not bad, right? I have used SANDMARC ND filters. These filters have dramatically expanded the capabilities of my iPhone camera. Have a look. To get proper exposure with the slow shutter speed in bright light, you need to reduce the amount of light that entering your lens. That's exactly what ND filter does. I shot a couple of different scenes with the ND16 filter. Have a look. If you want to improve the mobile photography and reduce the time you're spending editing videos and photos, order the Scape ND filters and believe me, they will not disappoint you. The SANDMARC ND filter is available for $89.99 and you can find the links down below in the video description. If you are interested in travel videos, click on this playlist. Thanks for watching and see you next time.